Okay, so common NDT methods are, what are the common methods that we are having? The first one is here, several methods are there for which we have the, here we have listed the material test name. Here is the principle, what they basically having the main principle or mean working conditions. These are the application and the best for what purpose that we can use that. Okay, so first one is, you know, visual inspections, liquid penetrations. These all are we have below. We will discuss in the details. Okay. So now we are moving ahead. I mean, you can see here, this is just a combinations. Here we have the, all details in a single page. That's why we have the, just a comparison. What the name, just like the visual inspections, what the principle, direct visual examination means you can only have option to look into the product and you can see if there is any defect present. Okay. What the application, like the welding, pipelines, okay, castings, these all are just take the applications. And we talk about the best for the surface defects, because surface are the outermost area where we can see directly, right? That's why it is a visual inspections. Okay, if we talk about the liquid penetrations testings, then dye penetrates cracks, this is the applications. And we talk about what the applications, then the aircraft parts, welded joint and surface crack, these all are the just so for this these all are the just a different kind of NDT method. Okay, and what are the applications? So here it is just a combination of all that, but we will have